Good morning, you beautiful people. So, we are at the township, close to the rubbish dump. Ims has been gathering lots of mulch for us, and this is now to take to Indina's house. So, this is basically the area overview, is what we're seeing now. Just trying to keep my balance and keep the camera straight at the same time, so just excuse if it's a bit shaky. I think it's a good thing for kids to see mulch being gathered in general. Now, as you can see below here, there's some fruit trees, 3 fruit trees, and so obviously in Jane S. Von Vloep and Andrew Hall has bought quite a lot of fruit trees. That's not ready yet to be planted in the township, but these ones are ready. So we're gonna start planting them at Indina's house, and then we're gonna take it from there. Right, let's just upload that quickly and then we go to Indina's house.
Smile, my boys, smile, smile. Andreas.
What is your name?
My name is Mateus.
Mateus.
Okay.
Okay, so Mateus, I just want to tell the camera, Mateus is going to be our cameraman for the next 5 or 10 minutes while we load. Andreas, you must show me how hard you can work.
Andreas, work. Che, Andreas. Andreas. Okay.
Mateus has got
This
the
is Ananias.
as well.
This is Ananias. And this is Andreas. And this is Thomas. And then this is Hims.
Hims, you must explain to them what is mouse.
Okay. Okay.
So tell me, who is this one?
This is Andreas.
Andreas, okay, and this one?
Ananias.
Ananias, and that one?
Thomas.
Thomas, you are all friends.
Mm.
Okay. Continue, I just quickly want to answer this call.
Okay. Okay, Andreas. Whoa. You can see that car? Whoa. Okay, this is Thomas. Okay, this is Ananias and Andreas. Whoa, Andreas.
Who's stealing my car?
Andreas is stealing your car. Andreas, I can see you from the...
Say again?
You can take them with the wheelbarrow later.
Okay, we can also do 2 trips maybe.
Okay.
Okay, but let's go plant the trees first. Okay. Who's coming with us?
It's
All
me.
of them, yeah, they all may will come. All your workers, yeah.
Amandi ko meseo. Oh.
Okay, so let's maybe just stand here in the shade. Let me show you what a baobab tree looks like. And then that one we'll plant in the corner there, eh?
Oh, I think this one is at the 5 cent of ours.
What do you call it?
50 cents.
On the 50 cents, yeah.
50 cents, yeah. Oh.
See, that one is even big enough for people to climb inside. But this is maybe 50, 60 years.
Yeah, not now, yeah.
So, but they will carry fruit in 7 years, but they will become very, very big trees. So you put it there in the corner.
In the corner, yeah. Okay.
Then eventually it will go above the lemons. The lemons can be below it. We take it from there.
Okay.
Lekker.
Come off load, boys.
Yeah.
Must I
Must I bring the car closer or?
Yeah, then bring it a bit here.
Okay, then just show me there. So, Imps, you have that special mutti there. How much have you got left? That's maybe enough for 1 tree. Okay, then we must just add for the other ones later as well, ne?
But
And then just
why did you put it in a water, then you use that water.
Yeah, it's fine. We can do that as well. We can dissolve it in the water. Add that. And then we just add more mulch and more mulch. Okay, we never had a chance to see if this African smells capture water or did they catch water.
They catch water.
They catch water.
Last time a video.
Huh?
I sent you last time.
I remember something. I see the tree, there's papaya is growing nicely.
Yeah, the cocoa. Even the mango behind there.
Even the mango is growing nicely. Yeah. You know, I did the math the other day. A lemon tree gives a month's salary every year. More than a month's salary every year to somebody that has a lemon tree. Orange tree does the same. Mango, I don't know yet, but I assume very close to. So in theory, if somebody's got 12 fruit trees that they take care of, they should be able to double their yearly salary if they're able to sell all the fruit. And then that, you know, obviously the nutrient intake into the family, vitamins and things like that, that's also fantastic. So for the guys that bought trees, I just wanted to say thank you. If you want to buy a tree, right below. I cannot do this without people buying coffees, buying trees, doing things like that, and buy me a coffee. This pays for all of this. So, but I just wanted to say thank you in this video to especially the people that bought the trees. What did you say?
This is a milli.
A milli? Okay. You wanna open it fast? You think there's anything inside?
Yeah. A little bit.
A little bit. You eat them. Let's see. Let's get two pups on it. Ah, it's a problem. Okay.
Did you repeat?
Okay, so the baobab is that small one. This one. It will become that. It will become that giant tree one day. First, you're putting them out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you bring the spade.
You don't have those pipes. You must take from the farm tomorrow and then you must come put them in there.
Okay.
You must clean first before you close the where's the drops? I also brought some charcoal compost for the trees. Yes, I'll spread this between them all. Spread the compost between them all as well. Okay, so they clean here. This must be completely clean, eh? Okay, boys are cleaning the car. Imps are planting the baobab first, so we've got some mulch in the hole. And then we added some of that root starter. That's enough, I think, of the compost, Imps. This is a charcoal and oof, the dust is getting to me. Charcoal and worm casting compost. Okay, I think let's add the tree. I think it's fine. Just add it, just like that, and then you can close it up around. Where is the tree? This one needs quite a bit of water in the beginning, but they can plant vegetables around it.
Around in the around me.
Yeah, just around where they give you water. So they give the vegetables water, and then the tree just grabs everything that the vegetables doesn't drink. That's the best way to do it, I think. I say. Very nice.
It's almost look like avocado.
Yeah, it does look like an avocado, but they're going to be very surprised one day if it's not. Okay, but I think that's enough. Now it's just lots of water. Het hulle genoeg water?
Ja, dan agar oggend dit wat ek nou so my daar was 20 graan. Maar man kilos sepias aan water.
It does look like an avocado, but they're going to be very surprised one day if it's not. Okay, but I think that's enough. Now it's just lots of water. So here's the water coming. Strong like Mother Russia. Like Mother Namibia. So they can give each one 20 liters. So these trees, only one canister like that is enough. The next one we put there. Who's the strongest between you?
Me.
Are you the strongest? Or you?
Me.
You?
All of us.
All of us? All of you together, lekker. You can put it. Put it here. Yeah. Wait. There. The water is rushing in here and disappearing into this hole. Okay. Lekker man, lekker. Okay, you can fill that one up again. So this tree was bought last year. I planted it in a 20-liter bucket afterwards. 20-liter buckets are also about one coffee. But I'm thinking this year I should maybe just do bags. There's some benefits to the buckets. Obviously they last for much longer, but they are much more expensive than a bag. So I'm thinking 20-liter bags. If we wet it, we can pull it out. Ims? If they wet it, if they put lots of all the water in there, then we can pull it out. And that's the other thing. With a bag, you can just rip it out. With a bucket, if you don't want to hurt the bucket, then it's a bit more of a, and you don't want to hurt the roots, then it's a bit of a more delicate situation. Just keep adding, keep adding. Okay, now pull on it softly, let's see what happens. Is it coming?
Yeah.
Without, oh, don't break the roots. Careful, careful. Push your hands in the side. Yeah, I think bags is a better idea. If you look at this. It's a nice big mango tree already. Yeah, I think this year we must put the trees in bags rather, so we can cut them open. I think this bucket was bought by Renier. If I remember correctly. Okay, who's one hold the tree?
Yeah.
And then the other one can empty that one.
Empty.
And yeah. And the soil too. Lots of little roots that broke off now. This was a mistake. Yeah, we made a mistake. Look at all that roots that we lost. Ims, can you see the problem we made? All the baby roots. Oh, but there's nice earthworms in there as well. Yeah, earthworms. They're good. And then, okay, but the roots is a problem. Okay. It's not that much, yeah. It's not that as much as I thought. Okay. Okay, then the next one they can bring the water. Are all of these boys in school, Ims?
Yes.
Good. Which school do they go to?
Different school now, yeah.
At different schools?
Only this one that is schooling at Kalun.
All of you at one same. Only this one at the end. The rest they are at one school.
Where are they?
Sarajevo.
Sarajevo. So Sarajevo is that one where the floodplain runs through that I said would be a nice permaculture site in the future. So, and Karundu is the one closest to us. Put it right against the tree. There you are. You must speak British, ne? So I can understand you when you speak to one another. What are they saying?
He's telling the other one to move outside.
Oh, just to move.
Yeah, but they're only waiting for you to go get the water again.
Yeah. The last one we have is that lemon tree, but I'm thinking we should maybe cut the bucket. Or we should have the water stand in it overnight, and then tomorrow we remove it softly. Huh? Andina, good to see you again. We're bringing you, very nice to see you.
Okay, thank you.
So, oi! It's falling in the mouth. So we bought you 3 fruit trees. This one, I see that other trees that we gave you is still very much alive.
Oh, which one is it?
The mango and the papaya. But anyway, so this is a baobab.
Oh, okay.
Over here. This is a mango, and then that one is a lemon. Ims?
Yes.
Okay, but that one we must remove carefully. I don't want the roots to get damaged. I think put water and let it stand for a while. Maybe. Oh, let's see. Are you winning? So the lemon is nice for vitamins and... Hello, how are you? Good, man. Lemon is good for vitamins for the kids, for juices and things like that. Very, very, very good. Is it coming out? I think the benefits of a bag versus the negatives of a bag. The benefits definitely outweighs the negatives. The benefit of being able to cut it away, and the price is definitely a positive. Water, I think add water. Put the compost there. Alright. It's not as much as I would have liked, but it's something. We'll have to upgrade our compost making operation definitely. Update. Boys, did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Lekker. I see Ims sweated. He worked so much harder than any of us. I was just doing the camera work almost. Okay, so we've got a small mango tree there. We've got a lemon tree there. A much bigger mango tree here. This is one of our members bought last year. Grew out, and this is planted now. Giant baobab, and then papaya. And so that's going to be the very first episode of Andina's house. I would love to see what this place looks like in a year. If you love to do that, subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.